Hey, hello everybody, and welcome to Suma Beach, which is this very famous beach just outside of Kobe on the way to Himeji. Now, probably people come here for the sun and the beach and all, but I'm here for Kuma's Kitchen. So, what's up? Well, there's a famous little place over here to grab something tasty to eat, and I'm gonna go check it out now. Gonna bring you along. We can go have a look, and that's what's going to be coming up. Well, my version of it's going to be coming up in Kuma's kitchen. So let's go see what it is that I'm going to be cooking up in the kitchen. All right, so this is it. This is the place I've come to. It's called Copenhagen. Now, the guy is from Denmark. He opened this up and makes the fantastic hot dogs here. The hot dog I want to emulate is the one called the Suma Hama Dog. Hama means beach, so it's the Suma Beach dog. And I'm going to go in, order one now. Show it to you in a couple minutes. All right, got my dog. Look at that. Yeah. All right, this is the Suma Hama Dog. So Suma Beach dog. You know I love cheese. It's got cheese. It's got kimchi in there and a nice big dog and a little bit of sauces. So let's have a bite. All right, I'm back in Osaka and I just found out that my camera cut out. So I didn't get to finish what I said about the Suma dog. Anyways, when you bite into one, you got a layer of kimchi in there. You've got a nice frankfurter in there. You got some special sauce, some mustard, which I'm not that wild about because it's like the yellow French's mustard, and I'm more of a European or Japanese mustard type of guy. I like the French stuff, the Dijon. And cheese on top, and you know how I love cheese. So yeah, it was really delicious. And since then, I came back to Osaka and I made my own version, of course. You know, some changes. And I think it's better. But yeah, hey, that could just be me being vain about it and all that kind of stuff, and biased. That's the word I'm looking for. But hey, check it out. It's coming out on Kuma's Kitchen, and it was quite delicious. Easy to make. Make sure you get yourself some.